हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जेके शॉर्ट हैंड प्लेनेट। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम करने जा रहे हैं शॉर्ट हैंड ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज नंबर 34 फ्रॉम द मैगजीन स्पीडोग्राफी बाय डॉक्टर जी डी बिस्ट वॉल्यूम 1। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, एक्सरसाइज 34 को स्टार्ट करते हैं। एज आई हैव सेड एक साथ लिखेंगे, कॉमा माई ऑनेबल फ्रेंड्स इस तरीके से लिखेंगे। शुड बी हैप्पी that as was announced by the government as was promised by the government इस तरीके से लिखेंगे। गवर्नमेंट हैज बाय द गवर्नमेंट, उसके बाद है द गवर्नमेंट हैज फुलफिल्ड हम इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं फुलफिल्ड, और इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं गवर्नमेंट हैज फुलफिल्ड। ओके फ्रेंड्स, the promise and it is the promise and it is for all of us to see that for all of us to see that the country is not again required to go to any other country कंट्री को फ्रेंड्स इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं to meet our own demand for food and cereals, and the government has taken proper steps has taken proper steps in the matter, full stop, paragraph change. Regarding industrial growth, comma, as I have already admitted here, comma, it was not according to the targets according to the इस तरीके से भी लिखते हैं हम फ्रेंड्स, targets that we had fixed in the fourth plan, but in the fourth plan इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं हम फ्रेंड्स, और फोर्थ प्लान इस तरीके से भी लिखेंगे। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, but why should we not again feel happy that during the past 20 or 25 years, comma, since our freedom, comma, it was impossible for this country एक साथ ही लिख देंगे इस तरीके से, to raise भी इकट्ठा लिखेंगे, the required infrastructure ये शॉर्टर वे है जो मैंने अभी डाला, अगर आप इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। ठीक है, ये थोड़ा लेंथी हो जाता है, आप कोशिश कीजिएगा शॉर्टर वे इसका लिखने का, स्पीड बिल्डिंग में उससे हेल्प होती है। फॉर ऑल पॉसिबल इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ in the country, full stop. let us को एक साथ ही लिख लेंगे इस तरीके से, let us not forget इस तरीके से, that it was after the second world war when the prices of these basic machines had gone higher all over the world, all over the world. It was at that time, it was at that time that we had to import all these, that we had to import all these new machines from foreign, new machines from foreign countries, and naturally it had brought about some drain of our foreign reserves, and also had created several other problems, full stop. When everybody says that we यहाँ लिखेंगे हम when everybody says that we have done nothing, that this country has not progressed. I am here to say today that it is because of our efforts. It is because of the efforts अच्छे से लिखेंगे इस तरीके से, efforts people of this country during the past 25 years, that this country has been able to raise the infrastructure, and I have no doubt raise the infrastructure, and I have no doubt, whatever, that with the present efforts in a planned manner, this country is determined to progress, and I shall achieve the desired progress, as has been promised as has been promised to the people, full stop, paragraph change. Last para है friends हमारा, I do not want any applauses. I do not want any applauses. Full stop. My only submission to the house is let us try to understand ourselves. Full stop. If something is wrong, comma, I am going to speak about it. Full stop. Next, friends, there are several problems faced by our country. Full stop. Why are we facing all these shortages and shortfalls today? Question mark. The reasons are obvious. Full stop. There are shortages of inputs and raw material, comma, and raw materials. Full stop. These are in short supply. There was the power shortage, comma, enough power was not available इस तरीके से भी डाल सकते हैं. Full stop, close. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये था शॉर्ट हैंड ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज नंबर 34।